Yeah, don't worry, there will be some Q&A session later after this. So if you guys have any questions regarding the challenge, you can ask. I think there are a few participants who are not able to join due to the limit on the meeting. So no worries. There will be a recording of this and you can access the recording anytime on the website. So no worries about that. So I want to wish all of you guys a very good morning. I'm Ernie from WheelStack. So the challenge that we have today, the briefing is about the eMOBIQ challenge. So I'm going to talk a bit about why we are organizing this challenge and also how is it going to benefit everyone, right? First of all, I would like to congratulate you guys on successfully registering for this challenge, right? Congratulations to you. First of all, some introduction of WheelStack. We are actually an IT solutions company, and we are very much focused on providing customized IT solutions, software solutions to SMEs in Malaysia. All right. And we also provide some other services like IT administration, network, even hardware supply as well. What is the eMOBIQ challenge? First of all, this is Malaysia's first and largest no-code application building competition. It is a nationwide initiative by WheelStack and is supported by KPT, MOSTI, and MDEC. I think you guys know what these three ministries are, right? It is open to all students of institutes of higher learning across Malaysia, right? And each team can have up to 10 members. And we don't limit the number of teams from each university, right? You might have questions about eMOBIQ. What is it actually? Well, in simple terms, it's a zero-code rapid application development platform, meaning that you don't need to have coding knowledge, but you can build apps on the web or on mobile, right? It can be Android, iOS, or on a single platform, right? You can build, it's actually using React Native. You can build applications easily using a drag and drop interface. There are a lot of pre-built components and functions, but you can also build your own, right? It has customizable API templates and also is very API ready, and you are able to access this platform from anywhere because it's cloud-based, right? With eMOBIQ's Unified Development Center, actually, there are just 5 simple steps to building the application. As you can see in the logic flow below, you create a project, you design the UI UX, you design the workflow, you preview and test. Anything not working fine, go back to designing the workflow. Everything is fine. You select which technology you want to use or which environment, web or mobile, and then you just output your app. It's as simple as that, right? Why this is a very useful tool is because you are able to preview all your apps before you actually publish, right? So makes it very useful. Why are we introducing eMOBIQ? Mainly because we want to solve a lot of problems SMEs are facing now. They have a lot of lack of knowledge, IT knowledge, and of course, not every company has developers or coders, right? So we want to be able to help them to create applications that they are able to use, and maybe even for their client, for their customers as well, right? By using eMOBIQ, you can reduce your development time. You can publish on multiple platforms. All the pre-built functions are there. You can create it. You can create the apps very fast. You can customize your templates. Of course, all this will reduce your costs. And of course, like what I mentioned, it's cloud-based. You can access it anytime, anywhere. You can even work remotely, right? For the applications that you guys are going to build, right? We do have some ideas which I'm going to share with you now. Like for example, the reservation system, cleaner application. Cleaner application meaning that, you know, sort of like you want to book cleaners or you want to book maid service. You can create an app similar to that. Delivery applications, right? Even those rental management, where you need to manage the tenants and the rental of the properties. Even food and beverage applications, you can also consider doing that. Transport services, inventory control, managing your stock, how it goes in, goes out, you know. A bit on the more advanced side, you can try doing facility control applications. What this means is that you might want, it's basically like a QA and QC system where you are checking locations or services or parts, and you check which are faulty, and you create a, what do you call, a problem list, so that the service people can go and repair or go and check it out, right? Of course, service applications are one of the most sought after right now. You know, people tend to always want to book services like dental, you know, even your automotive, cleaning, plumbing, things like that, right? And also education. Education management applications are actually on the rise right now. And so you can actually consider, you know, building an app like that on eMOBIQ, right? Of course, these are just ideas for you guys. If let's say you have an idea that is unique, you want to try building it with eMOBIQ, by all means you can. Or you can even ask us whether your idea is workable, right? You can let us know, we can advise, okay? And these are the points of contact currently. Of course, for the group leaders, you have the WhatsApp group, which is named eMOBIQ Challenge 2023. There is an e-learning system right now, lots of videos that you can have a look and you can learn from there. And also there is a ticketing system on the website itself, which is eMOBIQ.io. And of course, if you have anything, you can also email to us at emobiqchallenge@emobiq.io. All briefings and tutorials will be recorded, and the links will be made available on the website. So you guys can go and, you know, if you miss anything, you guys can go on the website and you can view the videos, no problem. Okay. I think that's about it from me. I will pass it over to my colleague, Eric, to brief you guys further on the submissions. Eric?
Thank you, Ernie, for your presentation on this briefing. Okay, wait. Good morning, everyone. I'm Eric T. I'm a colleague from for Ernie. In case you all cannot hear me, right? Can you all type? Maybe you type 1 in the chat room, see whether you all are here or not. Wow. Very good, very good. Good to see that. Okay. I will go very briefly on the scoring side. Okay. So brief you all what is the scoring, those that we mentioned in the terms and condition. Okay. So first of all, right, I will talk about this scoring from the social media. So first thing first, you all already like our Facebook or not? All done already or not? Okay, you all okay. Hey, so this is our Facebook and our Instagram. You all already visit, already like and share. Type 1 or if you already like. Wow. Only 1 Oh, 2, 3. Oh, okay. Oh, it scared me. I thought only 1 people. Cannot all of you must like okay, because this is the first thing that you all have to understand about company, and then what is the all the information that we have in our stack, Facebook and Instagram, because one of the one of the scoring is actually on the social media side. Okay, so please share and like our. I think the most probably you have to like our Instagram and also like our stack, Facebook. Okay. Okay. Wow. Thanks, Sal. Thanks, Okay, so going to the next one. Okay, so you have to take a very quick snapshot of your group photo. Okay, so I will give you some sample. So you see, make it professional. Don't show me how hardworking are you. Of course, you can have some of these if you want, but make sure you have this, all pretty face, professional face. Okay. So like here, we're giving you some tips and criteria of the group photo with an etiquette with very good lighting, don't dark, don't look like Batman. I want a very bright face, everyone have a happy face, and then can clearly see the faces of the participant. Don't cover face, no mask and don't wear mask. Okay, and everyone can be clearly seen, not to overlap each other. Don't hide beside your, don't hide behind your teammates, show your face, let everyone see your face, and then be creative and fun. You can do whatever you want. Don't need to be so serious like this first photo is just an example, right? But you can make it fun. No need to be you can, I can say that you can be not to be serious, but also professionally present yourself. Okay, and then you can show your names, your team's name in the group photo in any form. Okay, you can write your the team name in the photo as well. Okay, so after that, team leaders take notes. Okay, to send all the photo to this email address. Okay, don't worry if you're not able to jot down now, because we'll send this slide to you all. Okay, we'll send this slide to you all. So in the email message, right, please indicate you are from which institution, which team, label team members name clearly, from, let's say, like from left, who is Mr. A, Mr. B, etc. Okay, so don't leave your team member behind. Okay, so please make sure everyone is in the picture. Okay, this is about to create a video about your group. Okay, so we give a maximum 10 minutes. Don't more than 10 minutes, please. Okay. If not, we will actually maybe we'll say that we will ask you to do again or disqualify it. Okay, please make sure maximum is 10 minutes. Okay, so we suggested the content ideas is to introduce your team name, from which institute, and each team member. You can introduce yourself, with a very it's a creative way, like let's say I'm Eric, or I'm the most handsome in the team, something like that. Okay, so you can do that. And then why do you want to participate in eMOBIQ challenge? You can say, Barry, I want to win the prize and make sure everyone know me, know my face in the social media. Yeah, you can have your own purpose on this why. Okay, why do you want to participate? So any creative representation, you may have to make your video more interesting to the public. Like I say just now, you can make it more fun, to let everyone know about you. Because this one we will get vote from the social, to the public. We will get vote from the public. So please make sure you have an outstanding video so everyone can see you, everyone can know you. So okay. Actually, I'm not so creative. So for me, it's like just make sure everyone can see your video. Eyes catching, very eyes catching. Okay, so same thing. You see, I keep on repeat this email. So later I will tell you that actually this is one of the contact point. So everyone will also email any question also to this email address. Okay, so for the one that I want to present, I actually wanted you all to send the video also. Okay, you can send more than one video actually for us, to pick for you all these things. So you can send more than one video. Okay, team leaders, same thing. Email to this eMOBIQ challenge at eMOBIQ.io. Okay, in the email message indicates also same thing, which institution, which team. Okay, because this is the team video already. So actually just mention your which your team, then will be okay already. Okay. Sell later I will Chong Xiao Yan, is it? So I will show you the deadline later. So everyone clear about this? If clear, then press 1. Can we send both photo and video again? Yeah, Meteor. Yeah, you can send both photo and video together before the deadline. Later I will show you the deadline. Okay, everyone clear? Clear, please type number 1. Okay, can all here? Okay, good. Okay, next. Okay, about your video presentation of your mobile apps. Okay, this one will give you maximum 5 minutes to present your mobile apps. So this might be quite I mean it's actually is the the most important part of the whole competition, because it's to show your mobile apps. Okay, so what you created in all this, you have to fulfill like what we actually stated here. Okay, you may not be able to create now, but you will need to have this down the road. Okay, some of the tips and incorporate in the video. Okay, so what is the name of your mobile apps, and introduce the concept how your mobile apps work. Remember just now only share, right, and give you some tips about like you can build maybe a cleaner apps, booking apps, maybe a warehouse apps. So whatever apps you actually wanted to create, then make sure you introduce the concept, everything of how your mobile apps works in the video within 5 minutes. Okay, so when we come to an idea or a concept that you wanted to build these mobile apps, definitely you wanted to solve some problems in the industry. Okay, so the second things that mentioned here is what problems does your mobile apps solve in the industry and business world. Actually, we are okay if you wanted to solve some problem in your university or what. Okay, I mean it's based on your creativity. Okay, so but of course we wanted you to build something that come across your mind, what you see there's a problem in this industry that you wanted to enhance for them. Okay, you can actually use this eMOBIQ to create that to solve their problem. Okay, this is one thing. So the detailed description and explanation, you see, because we given you 5 minutes time for creating the video, right? So it might be some of the things that you can't actually apply in the video, but it's okay for that. So you can actually incorporate all these details and in a separate document like words file, PowerPoint, okay, then you send it to us. Same thing. See, I keep on repeat the email again. eMOBIQ challenge at eMOBIQ.io. Okay, send a max 5 minute video. Again, send a maximum 5 minutes video, and optionally you can send a separate document file together with it. Okay, so in the email, same thing, indicate which institute and which team. Very clear for that. Type number 2. Number 2. Clear? 3 people clear only. Oh, okay. So you are clear. Very clear. Can very clear number 3. Oh, good. I'm happy to see that. Okay, so remember, just to mention again another time, which is 5 minute videos, 5 minutes, and then you can send a separate document together with. So team leaders, please jot down this email. It's very, very important for this. Okay, next thing. Okay, come to last slide. Okay, so the social media voting period, right, will start from 12 May until 11 June 2023. Okay, things to have before 12 May. 2023, which is your group photo and group video. So this I think I already answer this Mitchell, right? I think if I'm not mistaken, Mitchell question, which is you have to send all these things, okay, all this group photo, group video before 12 May 2023. Okay, so for the video presentation, 31st of May. Okay, you see there's two things here. One is your group photo and video before 12 May. And then for your video presentation for your mobile apps is 31st of May. Clear enough? Clear number one? Okay, very good. So my presentation comes to the end. So I will open up if you have any question to ask about the this briefing. Okay, another thing. Actually, we also prepare a tutorial for all of you, and then but in the meantime, we will send you all those I mean the eMOBIQ account first. So actually, when you can able to log in, right, you can go in and play around first until the tutorial will be at 6th of April. Okay, 6th of April. Time to be confirmed. We'll keep you all updated in the WhatsApp. Okay, clear enough? Clear number two, number two. Yeah. Sorry, Sue, can you explain the social media voting period?
Hi, hello. Can you all hear me? Good morning.
Yeah.
All right. Thanks a lot for the questions, Miss Xiao. Okay. Referring to your first question, what's the criteria for the voting? You can refer to the very first link that you all received earlier about the details of the competition. So as you can see in the voting, there is a voting criteria listed inside there, and in up to 30% will be allocated for the scoring via social media. So that is the first answer to the question. So in your second question, how the project will be sent on social media? Shall we need to tag eMOBIQ or eMOBIQ site will show our projects on social media? So as you can see from the last the presentation made by Eric just now, there will be submissions in the form of group photo, group video, and so on. So once we collect all these, we will assist all of you to spread it in the social media accounts, particularly official accounts from for WillStack in Facebook and Instagram. So in that you can actually tag anyone, as many as you can, anywhere. You can even get comments, likes, and such to popularize this content, right? Of course, once these posts are uploaded, we will actually let you guys know. Since when you like and follow the pages, you'll be updated as well. So in your last question, so is it not related to the apps? Yes and no. Related in the sense that it is part of the scoring system. As I mentioned just now, up to 30% is for social media, 70% is on the build of your app and the voting by the judges. So that is it. It's not related in the sense that it's not part of the mobile app building, but it's only for your representation of your team and a representation of your team. After all, you want to show more about your own team and your aspirations of building this app. So does this answer your question, Mishu? Okay, thank you. If you have any questions, please type it here and we will assist you again. Thank you so much.
There was a question earlier also on who do you approach in case the project that you intend to do is not listed just now in the list that I mentioned to you guys, right? You can email to emobichallenge@emobiq.io and we will take a look and respond to you. Alternatively, you can I think that would be the best way rather than going to the WhatsApp group. Another question, which is the taking group photo online. I'm not sure what you mean by taking group photo online. Is it sort of like a Zoom group picture? Okay, we would prefer if you are able to have a group picture rather than a Zoom group picture. But if you have no choice, maybe you guys are remote or you guys are not together, then yes, we can accept. For your videos, of course, if you can show your face, it will be better, because we want to see all your handsome and pretty faces in the videos, and we see that you guys are really working together to develop the app. I hope you guys understand what I mean. And yes, all the tutorial videos are available on the website, and you guys are able to freely access. Once again, the group video, I would prefer if you guys have a video of you guys working together, I mean together physically on it. But if you have no choice, then yes, you are able to submit group video recorded using Zoom.
Okay, the next question from Siti Nurseha. Regarding the social media voting period, the content is our 2 videos or just the video presentation mobile app? Sorry if you already mentioned inside the briefing. So the social media one will be just one of the videos, which is your group video. The video presentation mobile app is more for the judging for the 70% one, because after you build your app, your video may aid in elaborating further the details of your mobile app in working. So hope that answers your question. Okay, another question from Kartika. When is the deadline to email the group video and picture? Okay, the deadline was stated in the slide. However, there is my apologies, there is a small change. The deadline will have to be put in earlier. We will amend the deadline and send to you. But basically, because for group photo and group video, you don't need to be very professional in doing it. You just do it casually, but of course you can do it creatively, excitingly. So I will let you know again the deadlines in the slides, and which we will send to all of you, right? Okay, another question from Janet. That means voting only based on group photo and group video. I think you mentioned, if you are referring just only on the social media voting, then yes, that is it. But again, I need to stress that the scoring will be only up to 30%, right? So once you have this group photo and video up, I mean we post it up, then you get as many people to like, follow, and comment, and we'll do the scoring from there, right? Again, the priority is you have to create a fantastic mobile app for the audience. Okay, your next question by Vikram. Hi sir, can explain more regarding what should be in the group video? Eric, can you backtrack a bit on the slides? Yes. Okay. Okay, let me elaborate a bit. Okay, these are our suggested content ideas for your group video. So in your group video, you clear some of the ideas is you introduce your team name, from which institute, and introduce each of your team members. And why do you want to participate in eMOBIQ challenge? So probably maybe just one of you, or all of you can say something. Why you want to participate this? What is the reason you want to join this eMOBIQ challenge? And the last but not least is a creative representation. Feel free to do it as creative as you can for the video. But the first 2 must be mentioned, and the maximum amount of minutes is up to 10 minutes. Try to make it short and sweet, yeah, so that it will be more attractive to your audience to watch it. That's our tips. So yeah, I hope that answers your question. Okay, the next question by Irwan. May I know when will the slides be shared to us. We'll be sharing it to you immediately after this presentation. And we will also upload the records of this online webinar in our official website, which you can watch it later through YouTube. Okay, for the e-learning, the WheelStack team from Ernie and Eric will be assisting all of you again. As long as you guys are in the group, then we'll update you immediately once the things are ready. Okay, next question. Do you have example of the video submission? As we mentioned, we don't have a specific example. We are giving ideas, but we did mention the requirements. So as long as you meet the requirements, the rest is your creativity and your way of taking videos, right? Just picture this as something you want to show to the public. You want to impress the public how you want to present yourselves. Put it that way, and also be mindful of the requirements we posted earlier. Then as long as you do that, it should be good to go already. All right. I think we wrap up the questions here. If anything, you can get your team leaders to post the questions in the WhatsApp group, and we will do our best case basis to answer your questions, right? Okay, where do I get the login credentials for the e-learning? Okay, the Ernie they all is working hard to get all the login credentials. We will update you as soon as possible, probably within one to 2 days time already. Then you'll get your credentials, right? So okay, the next section will be more important, the tutorials, the upcoming tutorials, and what to look forward to. Perhaps you wrap the questions here first. Whatever questions you have, you put in the WhatsApp group. Get your team leaders to post in the WhatsApp group, and we proceed for the tutorial details, right? Okay, thank you, everyone.
Okay, thank you so much for everyone. So we'll see you again in the next session.
I do suggest that for now, you guys discuss among your team members on what ideas that you intend to go for, and do a bit of research on which industry you want to tackle and what will be the flow of your application. This might take some time for you, so better for you to start now. Then once you get the access to the platform, you can actually start experimenting immediately. So thank you guys
thank you
for
so
spending
much.
the time with us. I hope this clears up most of your questions. If you have any further questions, like what Eric and Mr. Joseph mentioned, please let your team leaders know, and get them to get in touch with us in the group. Thanks, guys.
Okay, thank you, everyone.